Good morning, good morning. Well, this happened again, guys. I put in a trade, and before I was able to blink, I was trying to move my TP lower, and it already hit TP. Kind of bummed a little bit, actually, because it paid out. Let me see. I guess it paid out 10 pips. I got 8 of them. How can I be upset? I guess I shouldn't be upset. I didn't get a chance to do anything. It was quick. Good morning, good morning. It looks like GU never broke out last night. It just kept consolidating. Did it give a fake out? No, it didn't quite make a fake out because I set my zones lower. But it hit the bottom and went back up for a nice 36 pips. That would have been nice, but still within the range. Gold did drop, took out most of the move from yesterday. It broke below the 61.8. We'll see if it bounces because it looks like it's forming support there. See if it does a 78.6 bounce. Good morning, Luis. Good morning, Zane. Good morning, Sandrika. Motion, Walid, Mercedes, buenos días. Buenos días, Avi, Dios te bendiga. Good morning, Derek. Good morning, Stefan. Yeah, this little move down here, which I was looking at a potential breakout. I was in it before the 6:30 candle hit, and when the 6:30 candle hit, it spiked down and took out my position. I was trying to move it. Now I'm maybe thinking, well, maybe I was fortunate because it looks like it's holding support. See what the Dixie is looking like. I haven't looked at it yet. Okay, maybe has support. Let's see. It broke through that trend line from yesterday, and it's above it still. It needs to climb above that 50. If it can climb above that 50, I would be much happier. Let's see what the day looks like. The day is bullish. So far, the day is bullish. Perhaps a break of the highs. It's Tuesday. Volume should be coming in for the week. We'll see. 4 hours bearish. Still has 24 minutes to turn around. The hour currently is bullish. Again, trying to climb back above the 50. Let me look at the higher, look at the bigger picture here. Okay. What do I want to do about this? Let me keep it about there. Wonder if that is going to come into play from yesterday. I think it's trying to turn bullish, in which case gold will drop, but right now it's not. Right now it is not. Let's go to the daily on gold. Ooh. Okay, so gold keeps respecting the trend lines from the daily. Right? Did it break that inner trend line? I guess it broke that inner trend line. Let's see if it's a fake out. Coming back in right now, so it could be a fake out. We got lots of news coming, guys, today. So I'm unsure about what the market wants to do at the moment. Look at that 4 hour. Ooh, baby. Would have been a nice catch from the top. Okay, this one is holding. It's under the 50. So bearish movement as of right now. And Bitcoin is roaring, man. Let's see how it does. Let's see how it does around 54. Again, it's back over 50 at the moment. GU seems to want to break the high. Let's see where it started. It started bullish. It looks really strong. It's above this area already. No, not quite. Well, yeah, it looks like it's breaking that area right now. It's trying to. Then it'll test the highs if it does so. 4 hour. Bullish. 1 hour. Bullish. Looks like it's getting ready to break. Looks like it wants to go. I'm thinking it's probably waiting for the 7 a.m. Morning, Kevin. Good morning, Jesse. 5 minute over here rejecting on gold. I think we might get, well, maybe one shot today before news. If it don't happen, then that's going to be that. Where's the heat wave at? Got my second shot COVID last night or yesterday afternoon. My arm is hurting. Looks like the JBP is extremely strong. Take a quick look at it. You'll want to get in that. I think I'm gonna wait. $30 is showing overextended. So is the 1 hour almost. Given the time, I think I'm gonna wait to see if it wicks out at the top and comes back in. Take it in the opposite direction. I mean, I think it's got a pretty clean path to the upside once it breaks this high, but first it has to break that high. I wouldn't assume their order is waiting there. There's sell orders waiting there. Watching and waiting. Let's take a look at GA. I know Joe sent out a GA last night. I didn't get a chance to look at it. Looks like it's back in the range, or trying to get back in the range. Broke out, retested. It's trying to hold. It's trying to hold. We shall see. It's eager to go up, apparently. I don't know why my charts have changed. Yeah, I guess it's still playing around in here since yesterday. Wow. No volume, right? If it's still hanging around. GJ's still in there. The 4 hour, it hasn't moved. Looks like a nice little setup for a drop. See, that broke already. This is a new high, or attempting a new high. Yeah, that's a new high. Okay. Blows up a little bit. Let's see if that does the double top and come back down. I haven't even looked at the NCD or Canada or Chef, and I don't think I will today. Okay, Dixie's pushing. That mean gold is coming down, or what's it doing? Is gold still pushing up? Oh, there comes gold. Yep. Here comes gold. Do I go in again? 15 minutes to 7. Still holding. Keep an eye on the 1 hour. The Dixie, see if it climbs that 50. The 5 minute. Did a first attempt, pull back. I think it's now wants to break. That's a 9 pip stop loss based on the 5 minute for at least 10 pips going down. That might be playing with fire though, because let's see. The 30 minute looks like. Man, my arm is yelling at me. My arm is talking to me. My arm is like, why did you do this to me? Because that would have been already several pips high. Thank you, Mercedes. Yeah, if you guys don't mind, before you leave, if you would press it now, the like button, it will help me a lot. If you do it now, then you won't forget. Let's see, that is if you're getting any value. I mean, what's the point, right? If you're not getting any value, then skip it. Okay, that's pushing. Are we gonna see an impulse move here on gold? Let's see. Looks like GU is dying on the vine over here. Rejections at the zone are holding. Thanks, Dan. Wow, nice rejection from that bottom area there. Glad I didn't go in. Timing. He's still trying to push above. Perhaps the 7 a.m. candle will clarify things for us. 10 minutes away. Morning, Roberto. Jones, that's probably not 25 pips. That's probably 2.5. Like if you're on Owanda, right? Yeah, you're in Owanda. That says 25 right now. That's 2.5. Because gold is not measured in pips. Gold is measured in points. So that's 25 points. What spread is 25 points exactly. So that's 2.5 pips. Hope that helps you. because we have heavy news coming, we might see a lot of ranging. I thought about sleeping in because of news. Sore arm and the bit. Well, based on the price action at the moment, I think we might see a fake out to the bottom and then a push to the upside on gold. We'll see. I'm gonna be very patient. Yeah, a 2.5 spread is not too bad. But on LQDFX, what do we got? What do we have on LQD? Why is mine always messing up? I think I might change my passport here. Hold on a second. What are we looking at? Oh, look at the Dixie. Woohoo! Nice move on gold. That was about 12 pips. Now let me see if it does that wick to the top again. This may be the moment when it pushes down. My LQDFX is offline. Why? There you go. Took me a minute. So on LQDFX, the spread is 2. So Owanda's is 2.5, and it's 2. There goes gold. Last minute moves like that, man. The last 5 minutes of the candle. Never fun. I mean, if you are already in it, then you're like, push, gold, push, vamos, ahorita, vamos. But if you're not, you're like, okay, 5 minutes left on the candle. Do I really want to go in with 5 minutes left on the candle? I don't think I do. And so if there's our candle closes outside, I want to see it go back up and then give me a wick coming down, and then I may go for the impulse move. Otherwise, I want to see it go back inside, close back inside, and then we can take it to the upside. So chilling with Robert here. As you can tell, guys, there's a lot of subjectivity to the execution part of trading, right? Like one man's interpretation of one thing is another person's interpretation of the same thing, a different interpretation of the same thing. Right now, the way I'm seeing it is like, okay, why is this moving now with 3 minutes left on the candle? Maybe as a last kiss kind of move to drop off, unload some stuff, and then move up. Perhaps for somebody else, they're just looking at the breakout, which if they took the breakout, then they would already be up 16 pips. Not bad. Personally, if I'm up 16 pips on this candle with 3 minutes left, I'm taking profit and bye-bye. Wow. Good morning, Edward. Saw you in class yesterday. Pretty good class we had last night, I felt. Zane, I had a buy on GA at 87,100. Take a quick look. Holy cow, look at this move. Is this a different chart? No, that's a different chart. Oh, that's it. That's the one I have marked up. Where is it? I need to get rid of all this crap. 87,100. Oh, nice. Nice. So then you're up significantly in profit. Almost 30 pips or something like that. Good job, brother. Looks like it's breaking out of that. Yeah, we wondered if it was actually breaking out of that. Okay, we got what? A minute? Less than a minute. Let's go back to our little setup that could and see where we're at with gold. $17 seconds. All right, here comes the open of the 7 a.m. candle. Goes up. Goes up. Is it coming down? Is that like the entry for a buy, as using that as support? Or is he gonna wick on us and come down? Waiting on the wick. Here it comes. There it is. Real tight stop loss. I got a 6 pip stop loss. Let's see how it works. I'm gonna let it be at that. I'm not moving my stop loss. Takes me out, takes me out. Using the profits from the previous one. Let's see. Might have been premature, but I saw what I needed to see. So now my edge works or doesn't. Uh-oh. 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 We're losing risk. Took me out. Take the wick the other way. That was support after all. Well, at least for this move. We'll see. Yeah, I was only ever positive like a pip or two. That was it. I'm still positive for the day, but that took a little bit. Let's see if we get a stronger wick now. Or if it just simply goes back in. Oh, is that the wick we wanted? Like my wife likes to say, I'm not gonna be happy if that turns out to be the wick I was waiting for. Do you still trying to push up? DVP remains strong at the moment. Federica, you're reading the Becoming Supernatural book, or is it another one? Well, shoot, that was support. It wicked the other way around. Again, at least right now, we haven't really seen the move. That would have been a 4 pip stop loss with an 11 pip win already. Is what it is. Take care, Zane. Have a good day. Be safe out there. Ooh, look at gold making a reversal. Okay, now, if this is going to move up, guys, stop loss is way down there. Beware of that. $15-minute has resistance right around here. Right around there. only 19 pips to this other resistance. 35 pips all the way to the top. What is that, 22 pips? Stop loss, if you go for it. If it breaks, it hasn't done anything yet. This predictive right over here. Come to you is breaking. Working out at the 50 on the 1 hour. The Dixie is wick action. Waiting to see. Perhaps all it did was go back and kiss the 8. We'll find out. Well, it depends on how you look at it. What was it? Silverstone. Because if you consider all of this move down, which is the bigger move, right? I mean, right now it's doing this little action here. Let's go look at it. Then that probably is a shallow. No, it went to the golden zone. Almost. If you're thinking buys, it hit 38.8 and went up. I'm thinking there's a lot of pressure. Still to the downside. Well, on that chart, let me look at the higher time frame. Yeah, the last 4 hour candle, which just closed like that. Bullish, but not very strong. Where are we? Still doing nothing. Still doing nothing. I haven't looked at USD JPY. The moment I'm kind of focused on what's happening here. Don't want to miss it. Okay, let's see if it gives us a range. It breaks the bottom. 30 pips. Yeah, better than 1-to-1. If it's breaks the bottom. If it breaks the top, it's a little tight. Okay, what are we doing, gold? Yep, looks like it's rejecting pretty strong. GU. It's overbought in the 4 hour. It's overbought in the 1 hour. It's overbought in the 30-minute. I would say it's overbought, yeah. Based on the indicator, but it doesn't mean it can't push up higher. Because indicators lie, right? So we're just watching the price action. I need to go heat up my cider. I'm drinking cider today. Ooh, the 5-minute looks like we're going down. Okay, I'm gonna give this another try. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna give this another try. Basing it on the 5-minute action. And if it don't work, it may be it for me. Where's the 15-minute? Is that the new 15-minute? That's the new 15-minute. I mean, I don't need a lot of pips to win the day. So let's see if it pays me. Here we go. Oh, up 3 pips. Four pips. 4 pivots. Well, that rejection is not nice. Where's my time frame over here? This is a 15-minute. Let's go to the 30-minute. This candle turns red. We're running to the downside. But that's a big if at the moment, because the 15-minute is rejecting that bottom there again. The Dixie is flaming. That's another reason. Gonna half my risk. Okay. Oh, I see what's going on here. It helps when you have your setup already set up before you start trading. Okay, well, that little hesitation might have helped me. Let's see. Buen día, Josh, ¿cómo estás? Aquí viendo la acción del oro, que está a punto de romper el fondo aquí, si es que el Dixie me da un empuje hacia arriba. Ahí vamos. Vamos de nuevo ahorita. If it fails to move on this move now, I'm closing half. Okay, it's up 5 pips. 6 pips. Vamos, Dorito, vamos, vamos, Dorito, vamos. Tempted to take those 6. That's 8. That's 9. Okay, took about 75%. Moving my stop loss to break even, then I'll let the rest run. Can't lose. 11 pips, 10 pips. It's retracing again, and it's about to take me out. Back to 4. It looks like the Dixie is starting to push up. This should keep going down. But now that I've moved my stop loss to break even, it could just take me out. But that's all right. Already got me 75% of my position at 10 pips. So basically, I got back everything that I lost from my last trade. And it's a break even. So whatever happens, happens. Sí, vamos, Orito, vamos, Orito. Looks like the Dixie is pushing up. Pero no quiere decir nada. Mira, parece que me va a sacar nuevamente. I mean, this is the kind of situation where going in early helps you, but going in early also can hurt you like it did earlier, right? Going in earlier hurt me because I went in too early. This time around, it helped me because before the wick came, I was able to get my pips and move my stop loss. Again, the beauty of the magic keys. I think Josh is probably waiting for it down here. You waiting for it down here, Josh? 5 pips. I mean, the price action is kind of crappy at the moment. 7 pips, 8 pips, trying again. There you go, 9 pips, 10 pips, there you go. Let's go. Vamos, Orito. Empuja, caballito, empuja, empuja, caballito. Back to 4. Yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like the action right now. Again, perhaps too early too again, or it's just simply not going to go down. Five pips. What time frame is that? The 1 hour is looking good. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Look at that 1 hour. Which is also the 30-minute, right? It's looking good as far as rejection is concerned. But is it running now? That's the question. Is it going to run now? Tony, yeah, the market. Oh, did it take me out? Yeah, it took me out. Oh, good. Oh, good. It could be the beginning of the end for the cells. Going now, you go back to not being biased. Well, I go back to not being biased, and I wait. You know, my bias might be turning bullish if this keeps going, because it's having such a hard time continuing. Yep, I hear you. Ya vendí 2 veces. Vendí 3 veces, and I lost one of them. So now it's a wait and see kind of thing. And we got news también, you know, it's coming. News is coming. So I mean, this is gold all night long during London. When does that happen? Where gold doesn't break out? I mean, this is GU. I mean, I'm sorry. That's GU. When does it happen that GU doesn't break out? That's a 40 pip zone. It's rare that you have an entire session where you don't have GU breaking out. So I think news is in the influencing part of the whole thing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Rejection. That's let's look at the 5-minute. Tweezers. They may be taking it in the other direction. Being patient. Don't get faked out either way. Oh. Nice. So sorry. $15-minute turning bullish. What else we got? I know Josh hates GA, but for the sake of those who appreciate GA is still moving. Where's my other GA? There it is. Nice, break of the highs, very nice. So from consolidation, you have a break, push back, basically a retest, and take off. Nice, very nice. What's GJ doing? GJ still pushing. Just like GU at the very top of its range at the moment. Pull back on this thing. Yeah, it's kind of reaching the limits of its push here. The Dixie falling again. Gold holding that spot. Oh. Whew. Yeah, good job, Cesar. Good job. Yeah, I'm with Josh. I have a love-hate relationship with GA. But there was a time when I had a love-hate relationship with GU, and GU turned out to be the winner for me for about a year. For about a whole year, it was GU. Then when gold came back, I incorporated gold, and gold has been good to me. Okay, there you go. Now we're looking at bullish moves, I think. I think we're looking at a bullish move now. We can look at the bigger picture. See, I thought for sure, Josh, that given the move of gold, it would fill because it had broken so far below. It broke below the golden zone, and I'm thinking it's going to continue to at least come and fill, depending on where you put the. Yeah, it closed below, so maybe it's retesting now to come back down. I don't know. This is the 4 hour. 4 hour is a little undecided at the moment. With an hour and a half left to go. And the daily is bearish at the moment. It poked its head above the trend line, and now it's gone back inside. Another reason why I'm thinking it might want to test the lows. Sorry. What is that? 7:30? 7:30 candle just opened. Good job, Eddie. $16 or $17 pip move on GU. Watching, waiting. Looks like it's going to make a move here. Gold to the upside. We do have resistance along the way. Break that one, break that one. I suppose the wick that we were looking for to the bottom, which we kind of used on the last one that was pushing down, it's the wick that we ended up getting from the bottom up. There you go. Pushing up. Looking to break that minor resistance. Interesting candle on gold. See what the 5 minute looks like. Oh, 5 minutes. Okay, he just turned around. He just turned around again. Okay. On GU, yeah. Yeah, it's a good idea. We do have news coming though. You know, just remember that. There goes gold. Next level for gold if you took it. Not a lot of volume. There goes gold. Making what may be the move until news. I took about 12 pips on my smaller account. Just chilling, just chilling. You know, when you start looking at the market the way, like we've been watching gold move, over the last month, you get to start understanding it. And it allows you, when price is not moving the way that you think it should, because it's based on previous action, to get out quickly, take profits along the way and still catch your move. I was thinking it's going to break down. I was thinking it's going to break down. So I was thinking it break down. And I tried 3 times for the down move. 1, 2 out of 3, but it didn't really pay out with the pips that I thought it would, because I thought it was coming down here. Well, okay. Once we saw rejection, well, obviously it's not going down, it's going up. Now, can it break through there? It broke through there. So again, small position. That's paid out 20 pips. I got about 12 of those. It's still going. So not bad, They don't take much. Joven, you wearing the gold, Joven? Yeah, GU is struggling up there. And again, that's the kind of trade I like. Let me see. What was that? How much time was that? That trade was 3 minutes. That trade was 3 minutes. Let me see my trades, my other trades. Geez, Louise. My first trade was 16 seconds. 16 seconds. My first trade was 16 seconds. I couldn't move my take profit fast enough. It took it. Then my second trade, which was the loser, that was 2 minutes. And my last trade was 5 minutes. Yeah. That's when I know things are going right. Things are going right for me when this is how it works out. I'm patient in a lot of things. I'm not patient in going in a position and it not moving on me. Basically, what I'm trying to do as I keep doing this is perfecting my entry so that I wait until the moment that price is about to move and then go in. And that takes years of experience. I've not been around that long, so it's gonna take me a little longer to really perfect that. But that's what I'm trying to do. Sniper entries, right? I'm content with today. Just watching to see what happens now with the 8 a.m. candle. Unless there's something dramatic and something clear that I can see, then there's nothing more for me to do. Rejections here at this area on the 5 minute, they're a little sharper. So again, this right here doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean it's not going to keep going up, right? It's above the 50. It's made a bullish move. It could keep going up. But my psychology says to me, if you know it's going into resistance, take profit. If you know it's going to resistance, take profit. Then whatever it does, who cares? You executed your trade as you per your psychology, per your strategy, per your style. That's all that matters. Nothing else really matters. I don't care if anybody else makes 100 pips. As long as I execute the trade the way that I intended to, then my confidence continues to increase and I can always make adjustments. as I go along the way. I keep forgetting to put the disclaimer at the beginning of the class. Just remember, guys, that I'm not offering you financial advice. Oh, look at that. Are we in the game now for the fake out? Not yet, but pretty soon. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. UP is starting to lose momentum. Right there, look at, wow, at GU. Well, not likely that I'm going to go in the trade, but if it gives me a signal, I'll mark it up. That's beautiful. Cesar, was it? That was waiting for the fake out. Let's see if it speaks to us. At this point, there's two ways of doing this. On the 15-minute, if the 15-minute closes back inside, taking it to the downside, or if you want to be more conservative, waiting on the 30-minute. The 30-minute could have you be all the way down here by then, so. But again, those are the risks that you take. And again, I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do. $15-minute about to close. Yeah, looking at a double top kind of situation here. So to the 1 hour. I mean, that's the crown of Sauron right there, right? For you Lord of the Rings trilogy fans. You're looking at Sauron. The red eye. Okay, that's the close of the 15-minute. Here we go. Let's see. I can't tell whether something like that. Although for the last few times that I've done GU, it has failed. The setup that I have presented has failed. This is pretty good. Now, again, this is aggressive. This is the 15-minute, right? I would prefer a 30-minute candle closing back inside. Just kind of anticipate that because it's rejecting, it may reject hard. And then the 15-minute opportunity is gone. This right here is a 20 pip stop loss, 21 pip stop loss, and a 33 pip take profit. Let's see what it does. The strategy calls for a 30-minute candle to close back inside. Okay, just to be clear. Strong rejection from gold up here. Oops. Woo! Beautiful wick. It's ranging, isn't it? Should I even remove this one from here? Take a look at it. I'm just thinking, should I just take that out? Because it's like not respected. It broke down below, came back up. Well, I'll leave it now. I'll leave it for now. I'll leave it for now. Where's the pivots? Did I miss out on the pivots? Oh, look at that. Pivoted on the pivot. Pivoted on the pivot. Okay, strong rejection. Goldie, Goldie. Goldie, 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 Goldie. I haven't done a supply and demand in a long time. Let me see what the supply and demand indicator shows me. Okay, so tells me that demand is down here on the 30-minute. On the 1 hour is right there. That's where it's at right now. It broke underneath it. So let's see if it holds on the 4 hour. Ooh, look at that whole zone. Like Josh was saying, in the area of accumulation. Okay. 15-minute. Price where it should reject, and it did reject there. Okay. Yeah, I haven't used this tool in a long time. Let's hide that baby. Let's use it over here. I don't have enough indicators over here. All right, look at that. It's rejecting that supply. Well, what do you know? But of course it would. But of course it would. The whole area is an area of supply. But we kind of knew that. We knew that. All right. It's rejecting there again. Now it's moving up again. Of course, it's staying up. See what the 30-minute looks like when it closes. We'll revisit that. Dixie pushing up. Again, this is a 1 hour. Let's go to lower time frame, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. It's below the 50. This is the climate. It's above the 50 on the 30-minute. And it's trying to hold the 50 on the 1 hour. Put them all on the same time frame, 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute. Yeah, strong rejection up here from Orito. Yes, that will be the right way of doing that, Mercedes. Waiting on the 30-minute. 30-minute candle. Action on gold. That candle is about to turn red. What is that? 9 minutes, 8 minutes and 17 seconds. GBP is losing steam. Yeah, ever since I've been trading gold, I've been a little more aggressive with GU. It doesn't always pay out. It's not the same. Yeah, we're waiting on the bigger confirmation. I mean, I put in the setup, if you want to call it, based on the 15-minute, but the 30-minute is a more confident approach or conservative approach. But it's also the open of New York, so who knows what they'll do. I mean, on MT4 on the phone, the goal rejection looks pretty dramatic. High drama, high drama. How much time we got? 9 minutes. Let me go heat up my cider and I'll be back. I shall return. I am back. I am back. Ooh. It's getting cooler over here already, guys. I'm assuming that it's already cool up north in some areas, but now that I am not all the way down in Miami, I am feeling the cool air already. It was 60, 62, something like that last night or something like that. So it's time for the cider. Can you imagine? For those of you who live up north, 62 degrees and we're calling it cold over here. It's funny. Well, there it goes. It seems like it'd be making a nice move. GU, that is. Gold stopped in its tracks, trying to figure it out. Dixie seems to be pushing up on the 30-minute, that is. Yeah, we're in Florida, man. Over here, it hit 70 and we bring out our sweaters. Nice move on GU. There it goes. Partials maybe at the 50. I don't know. Depends on your entry, right? Let's see. That's 15 pips at the 50. GBP continues to flail. Ooh. Give me chills. Because the room is kind of cold and then the heat of the cider. Love it. Okay, so basically what, the world has stopped here? Other than GU, which seems to be making its move. Is that really the time? It is, ain't it? All right. So here comes the New York Open in 40 seconds. Where in Florida, Jovan? Which part of Florida would you call your second home? It's a long state. And us South Floridians don't consider some of the northern parts as part of Florida. All right, so the 30-minute just closed. Closed back inside. The 15-minute person has about 3 pips ahead of the 30-minute. That's not too bad. Really? In the Orlando area, Jovan? I'm like an hour and a half from Orlando now, brother. If you come down, let me know. All right, pushing up. Gold is. Well, Orlando is not Naples, so make up your mind. Yeah, Naples is very quiet. Sort of like where I'm at now. I'm in Port St. Lucie. Oh, there goes gold. There goes gold, guys. Or not. Rejection. We do have a lot of mosquitoes in Florida. Amazingly, we don't have them here where I'm at. Well, I guess because I was so close to the glades before. Nice rejection on gold from the top. I was so close to the glades, so I was practically in the glades. So I was so far south and west. Now I'm north and east. I think I killed one mosquito since I've been here. And the thing was so starved of attention, it landed on me right in front as I was sitting on the couch. I was like, you're stupid. I killed it. Okay, so I would be mitigating my situation here with GU closing partials, just to avoid a higher loss if the push up turns out to be real. It could just simply be a retest. That could be what it's doing right now. So look for a wick. I'm all about preserving capital. So if it moves against me, I'm not messing around. I'm taking risk off the table. You take a look at GU a little closer. Let me see. I still like to sell on GU. But now USD has lost some of its oomph. So we'll see. And gold made like it was going to break the top, and now it's like, maybe not. Yeah, let me know when you're down here. Naples is very nice. Yeah, Naples, that side of Florida is nice. It's like a West Coast for us. Very different lifestyle, the east side and the west side. It almost feels like we're central because we're north of the Okeechobee Lake, but we're on the east side. Very, very mid-America, it feels like. This feels like the Midwest almost. Joe says he's been waiting for the sell all night. Well, if you're gonna get it, this is the moment. If nothing resolves, when is the news? Do we have news at 8:30? We have some news at 8:30. Then we have the heavy news at 9:45. I'll be gone. I'll be long gone. Yeah, GBP lost strength, but so did the USD. So GU is just kind of like hovering up there. So trying to figure out here what gold is doing. Got so many markings here. I don't know which one to. Let's go ahead and remove this at this point, I think, because if it breaks any of these, it's going down. Don't need that anymore. Let's remove this. Let's go by the higher time frames. We're gonna play on the higher time frames now. It's only 15 pips to the next resistance. I don't know that it's worth doing that. I mean, you could play it off of the break if you want an early entry, but when the market is moving like this, it's a good idea to go to the higher time frame. So let's try to break. We shall see, we shall see. Maybe even moving this. Let's see, it breaks down to the 4 hour. No, that's the right place because of the 4 hour, okay. Yeah, that's the right place. Indecision. Which one are you buying, Josh? Gold? Gold is looking like a buy at the moment. The moment it breaks that, but at 15 pips or so, it's going to run into resistance again. You aware? I'm going to chill aquí. I did 4 trades already. It feels like one too many. It was a good one, but still. Yeah, it may be doing exactly that. Just going up and down, sideways until news. But we do have some news at 8:30. So that's in 22 minutes. You got auto GU? Yeah. If you're at work, muchacho, stop it. If you're at work, stop it. I think I am having a little bit of an effect from this vaccine. A little bit. Feeling a little not myself. All right, looks like it wants a break to the top. It's hesitating, but I think we're going to see a move on gold here. Just a minute. Okay, see if it goes. It's going. It's going. Josh, you made me do it. I'm up 8 pips. You made me do it, Josh. Oh, it hit 10. I took 9. You made me do it, Josh. Bad boy. Let's see now. Yeah, that works. What is it? It's gonna keep going here in a minute. Let's see. Okay, let's do that. Shoot, that's not what I wanted. What's today? Today's the 5th. All right, this is not working. Let me look at it on my phone. Again, ran into resistance. Take profit. How long did that trade take? 2 minutes. Yeah. Let's take a quick look at this thing. All right. I guess putting it all together, including the loss, I'm up 14 pips, just over that. It's all right. It's all right. On a news day, it's all right. Or like McGonaghy says, all right, all right, all right. Hey, Mercedes, you like to read, right? Josh is up 50 pips. Of course you are, Josh. You don't do anything small, man. Yeah, I took my pippages and got out. Nice rejection. Okay, we have a retest now. It came back inside. We have a retest now. Nice rejection. It should continue down. The moment that this candle turns red and starts pushing down, that stop loss goes above that wick. All right, it's not yet. It's not yet going in our direction. But depending on your entry, you should be blue. That's right. 50 pips a day, watch the money drip. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Yeah, Josh is a beast. Josh is a beast. The trick is entries, right? That's the trick, the entries. Okay, now it looks like it's going to push some more. Doom, doom. Doom, doom. Catching a good entry on gold, man, is like a dream come true, right? Because if you catch a good entry on gold and it goes your way, man, immediately you're up 20, 25 pips, 30 pips like fast. And then it's just risk management, right? You take some of the profit off and you let the darn thing ride. Had I only taken some of the profit off, it would have taken me out on the next candle that came down. It would have taken me out. So just taking the whole thing out. It's all good. And thank you everybody for being here. You guys make this fun. Being able to interact with you guys, being able to talk things through and see what we're seeing. Okay, rejection. Again, part of knowing yourself, right? This doesn't worry anybody when you're up 40 pips, 50 pips, like Josh was saying. But depending on your entry, that would have been your max position as a scalper. And depending on your psychology, this is not good, right? This little reversal here, wiping half of your profits suddenly, it's just not good. I mean, what are you going to do? You're going to move your stop loss to break even and then end up being taken out and then make no money. Like it practically happened to me on the last one. Or you're going to leave your stop loss at the natural stop loss and then run into a situation where it may reverse on you and keep going down. Not worth it. I'll take my money. But again, it's just based on your psychology and your goal. What is it you're going after, you know? On a news day like today, man. Hey, Kevin, welcome. 24 pips on GA, beautiful. Good job. Good job. Yep, that's a good entry on the GU reversal. If that's what you're talking about. I'm not sure that's the one you're talking about. Yeah, AUD just went to 6. So it should be coming down, no? Oh, yeah. Woo, wow. Look at that rejection. Whoa. That's not little. Woo, baby. Baby, baby. I need to get rid of some of these things. Let me see. How do I manage my list? I want to get rid of some of these. Oh, there you go. There you go. Out of here. Leave that there. Out of here. 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 Oh, do I have 2 US 30s? Let's see, why do I have 2 US 30s? Okay, that's looking a little cleaner. I don't even care about the chef. Let's leave it there. Here's a GBP pair. Okay. All right. Back to the Dixie. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Yeah. All right. Gold pushing up. $15 ran into the 50. Aye. Okay, good job, man. Beautiful, brother. Beautiful. Nice trade. Yeah, we're kind of sideways kind of at the moment. And any sudden movement can't really be trusted because we know news is coming. 7 minutes to the next move, to the 30-minute move. Appreciate that, Frank. Appreciate that. Good job, Dean. That's exactly right. That's exactly what you need to do, okay? Sounds good to me, man. If you're way up in profit, use some smaller structure like the 15-minute, maybe even the 5-minute for your stop loss. Because if it's going to keep moving in your direction, the 5-minute, no, 5-minute will wake you out. But the 15-minute, smaller time frame to use a tighter stop loss. Once you're heavy in profit, you let it ride. What takes you out, takes you out. AU moves pretty good, Crizzo. AU moves pretty good. It's just my watch list was just way too crowded. And on the lives, I gotta focus, So finding what I need quickly is important. Why? I was gonna say for all that it has done, it hasn't done much. It came down here, paid about 10 pips, about 3 times. And this push up was nice. Okay, this push was nice. Once it broke that right there, that's about 40 some pips. Okay, that was nice. But really, that's still just ranging. So it hasn't done much at all. A small move on gold, pay you 50 pips. Or take from you 50 pips. Stay woke. Oh yeah, I'm not feeling quite myself. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to the 8:30 candle. Thank you, Kim. Appreciate you saying that. And if this has been helpful to you, or if the commentary, just being here, trading with the community that we have here has been helpful to you, please like the stream. Please take a minute now and like the stream. It'll help me with YouTube. Go rejecting at that spot. It's trying. It is trying. Yeah, AU is all right. AU is all right. I think it's a good pair to trade. Okay, gold trying to break the high. Just tiny little move here. This is when I used to get in, right? This is this is when I used to get in, right? When it's making this little move and it's trying to break the highs, and I'm completely ignoring the 50s right there. The trend line is right there. It's already pushing up. It's 4 minutes, 3 minutes to the 8:30 candle, and I get caught on a wick, and it goes the other way. I think it was an ego thing as far as trying to predict the market, the ego of being right. of predicting the market and being right. Like, who cares? You know, let's make money. Who cares about being right? You could be wrong a lot, and you're gonna be wrong a lot. You could be wrong a lot and still make money. You know, it's not about being right. It's pushing. Oh my gosh. The Elliott wave, Jones? And which wave? There goes a nice little push from gold. Really pushing. And again, it makes me suspect, right? Pushing so hard 1 minute before news. Now, again, the news are not red folders, but it could affect the price movement. This was the one that's gonna make it move. Vamos Orito, dice Josh. Josh trying to squeeze another 10. Oh, okay. Ooh, strong rejection there on the 50. Ooh, that 5 minute candle, if it ends red, it'll be nasty. Much time? Is that it? Boom, new candle. Okay. How did that 5 minute? It finished. It's a cross of some kind. Doji at the zone, but above the zone. Let's see if these tiny little news do anything. Doubt it. Well, even the GU fake out is not really working very well. And during London, man, the fake outs work like 90% of the time. I'm sorry, guys. So the 8 o'clock candle finished strong bullish, strong engulfing, right? Now this is the continuation of the hour candle on the 30 minute. Let's see if it can break through there. It's above the 50 on the 1 hour. So it should be able to break that 30. We shall see. It's rejecting at the moment. Yeah, I'd be most likely out of GU. I don't need to wait to see it go to the high. after this price movement. I would very likely be out. No, I'm not getting up at 1 a.m. I'm going to bed at 1 a.m. and getting up at 5:30 in the morning, Mr. Bostock. I think it's the vaccine. I mean, I've yawned before, but I'm really feeling. I'm feeling like something's trying to get me as far as being under the weather. I'm not, and I'm not claiming that. But I know I'm not feeling 100%. We will see, Mercedes. We shall see. It could be. Yeah, all the movements. Wow, look at that rejection. All the movements in the New York seem to take a lot longer than GBP. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get some rest today. And I have a meeting at 11. So I'm gonna have to take a short, quick nap. And I gotta go take care of one of my tires. Not looking forward to that either, being out there. Maybe I'll Uber at home, take a nap while they fix it. Nice rejection. Nice rejection on the, rejected the 50. And now it's below. Appreciate that, Joe. That's what, Nadine, that's what my wife said. My wife said, I'm gonna wait a month after you take yours to see how you react. She's been asking me almost every hour, how you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? I was feeling fine until I got up this morning. Another reason for the cider. Yeah, it's rejecting on the 5-minute. It's a nice little rejection pattern. Strong rejection. Two ways of looking at this. If this turns into a wick going in the opposite direction, then you're gonna see gold fly. If instead the hour turns into a wick red, you're gonna see it fly the other way. So we shall see. Dixie is consolidating, doing nothing over here. Not any help whatsoever. Yeah, both my parents took it. They had no reaction whatsoever. So I was pretty confident I will have no reaction. I am feeling a little bit not myself. Yeah, Joe, when you're a kid, man. You're a kid. I'm a little bit overweight. I do have a slight high blood pressure. And after reading the last statistics on the percentages of people who are not doing well without it versus those with it, then it was time to do it. Plus, on top of that, the airline has just made it mandatory for all employees. So I'm either going to quit or submit. Although I may quit anyway. It allows me to travel. You know, for ministry also, you can't travel into certain countries and I'm due a trip to London. So, wow. Yeah, I'm feeling like that today, Dean. I'm feeling like sitting on my bum for a day. My arm is like super sore. It was sore last time, but I think the needle is longer. The shot is bigger. And the last time when they shot me, I didn't feel anything. Walked out of there, didn't feel anything. As the day went on, my arm got a little sore. The next day, it was really sore. Okay, but that was it. This time, I could feel the fact that the needle was longer. I could feel the fact that the juice was more. And the moment that I got up and started walking, immediately it started burning. I'm like, okay, this is not like the other. One of these things is not like the other. Okay, we're getting a rejection again on the top zone for GU. Maybe it will work. We're certainly rejecting here. Guys, this is turning. I don't see any other thing for this candle to do but to turn red. I don't see any other solution for that candle but to turn red. We shall see. The moment that it breaks this low, this is going to be red. And it should, at the very least, fill this bottom over here. That's 35 pips away. The challenge is that the stop loss is 44 pips away. So, I don't know what you should do about that. Well, turn around again. Just messing around here. Yeah. Gonna have to take me something. Okay, what is that? That's 8:40. Okay. I saw a 5-minute candle on top. Okay, what was that? Okay. Not bad, Kyle. Make me a hot toddy and I'll be there in a minute. Make me a hot toddy. I'll be there. And it works too, by the way. That hot toddy works. Seen it in action. Yeah, like Curtis Cobain. Kurt Cobain. Curtis Brent Cobain is Jay's mentor. And he says, if you're in a trade and it just going nowhere, up and down, whatever, just get the heck out. I think he's like me. I want quick resolutions. Let's resolve this thing. Let's be done with it. I ain't got time to sit here all day. So, yeah, I appreciate that style of trading. That's kind of how I trade. You already saw 4 trades today, and the average was less than 3 minutes each. So this is the, okay, still waiting. Very strong rejection on that 50. That's what I was talking about. I used to get in here, get in the wick. I'm up 3 or 4 pips. Yay, so excited. And then it drops 30 pips on me. Oh, gee, not cool. Tweezers on the 5-minute. turning bullish. Let's see if that fails. And if that 5-minute fails, I think the hour candle is going to turn red. Red, red wine. We shall see. Monday through Friday, Billy. 6:30 a.m. Yeah, that thing is pushing up on GU. Still waiting here to see. Let's see if that 5-minute turns bearish. It's got 2 minutes left. Let me see if I can reschedule my 11 a.m. I need to lay down. Let's see if I can move that meeting. Okay, so that 5-minute close bullish, but that all that did, as far as I'm concerned, is just created the support that it can break through right now. Let's see. This one's turning bearish again. If it closes bullish, then yeah, we're gonna start moving up. What's the purpose of the EMAs? Okay. Well, I have one EMA and I have a SMA. This is the exponential 8th. This is the simple. The moving averages basically give you the average price of the last X amount of candles. So for example, if this is the 8 exponential, then it gives you the average of the last 8 candles. It's exponential because it takes into consideration the last third of the 8 candles higher. And so it gives you more accurate description or view of what price is doing at the moment right now. The 50 simple moving average is just simply the average price of the last 50 candles. And it gives you an idea of what the market is doing, right? If it's above the 50, it means that it's above the 50 percentile price, so it is bullish, right? It is on the positive side of the average. If it's below the average, then it is on the negative side of the average, and it is bearish. So seeing the interaction of those two candles can give, of those two moving averages can give you an idea of what price is doing. So for example, here on the currency index, when the 8 exponential crossed the 50 to the upside, price was shown to be bullish and was going to continue being bullish for a while at least, okay? Right now, prices come down, but the moving average is still above. So it's considered still to be bullish. Here, why do you get so loud, music? What's wrong with you? ¿Qué pasa? The 8 exponential crossed the 50 on a bearish move and indicated again that price was going to continue going down, which it did. Now it's curling back up. The thing with moving averages is that they're always, not always, but most often they're delayed, right? They move after price has already moved. Sometimes if you have a long consolidation, you can catch it in a good mood. Like for example, okay, here it was already, well, it's just stayed bullish. Look how price, the 8 was below, and once it moved above the 50, it stayed bullish and it has remained bullish. Price came down, but it remained bullish. Price came down, but it remained bullish. It didn't cross it. Okay. So the moment it crosses it, it's considered to be a shift in trend. And of course, the higher the time frame, the more valuable that information is. And the lower time frames, not so important, unless you're a scalper. Okay, so here comes that 5 minute. Looks like it may be breaking the low. No, it's not. Still up there. Okay, we got 11 minutes to the 9 a.m. I just would like to see this turn red, man. Oops, that's not it. This hour candle turned red. It would be so pretty if it did. Yep, I'm going for the low. Ooh, trying to break the low. Let's see if that five. Ooh, ooh. Looking at the 5 minute candle formation. See if this breaks the low and starts making lower lows. New candle, it broke. No, it didn't break the low. It closed lower. It closed lower. Let's see what this 5 minute does. I mean, I'm not going to hang in there, but just watching it. Yep, looks like it's going bearish. We shall see. Whoa, pushing. It's got 10 minutes, and in those 10 minutes, this hour candle could turn bearish. Let me see what my friend says. Oh, crap. Okay. Okay. Monday sounds good. Let's do Monday. Ooh, look at that. Yep, the 5 minute broke. This is going red. 5 minute broke. The hour should turn red. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Fun. And again, on the last few minutes of the hour candle. Yeah. I'm gonna rest today, guys. Today, I'm going to rest. If that tire goes flat, I'm gonna blame it on Walgreens. I'll call AAA. Come out here. Yeah. My body's telling me sleep, sleep, beautiful sleep. Have yourself a chamomile tea. En español, un té de manzanilla. Té de manzanilla to put me out. See how it holds. Still holding. We're still holding. It's pretending to hold, or is it really holding? We shall see. I mean, when you look at it this way, let's go back to the lower time frame. This is the 15-minute. It was the 15-minute, wasn't it? Yeah, the 15-minute. Where I had this little thing here. Remember when I had this little thing here? That's where it's battling. That's where it's fighting. Maybe I should have kept it there. But anyway, that's what's happening right now. Yeah, let me move my calendar. Oh, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Did I miss it? Oh man, don't be on your phone when you're trading. Don't be on your phone when you're trading. There's that red candle. Wow, that's art to me. Look at this up here. Art. This is art. It's beautiful. My child, my creation. All right, 9 a.m. should push that down. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. should push that down. We shall see. Of course, we got news at 9:45. I'm still working over here, trying to rebook my meeting to today. Excuse me, guys. It's called edit. How do we edit this? There you go. Okay. 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 What time was my meeting? 10:30. Okay, let's keep it to 10:30. Okay. What a beautiful rejection. That was gorgeous. That was beautiful. Let's see where it ends. I just completely canceled that move. Good job, Chrissy. GA, let me go take a quick look. I don't want to, let me see. That's not the one I want. No, but GA, yeah, there's not much to know. GA became bearish quite a while back. Yeah. This became bearish a while back. How far can it go? Look at this wick. And all the way down here. AUD is gaining strength. Okay, it's almost at 7. Yeah. So what would be the play here? I probably would have already been in on the 30-minute close. I'm back inside, but these zones may need to be redrawn. This is from a while back, but it's back below. It broke above resistance, retested it, went back up, came back inside with a very strong engulfing candle and a strong doji at the top. So this is bearish at the moment. Dixie pushing up. Well, looks like GU may work after all. Mercedes, you were right. And look at this. Okay, well, this kind of tells me a better story. Rejection, 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 rejection. Dixie will be breaking the highs soon, I think. Maybe it's waiting on the news. Maybe it is waiting on the news. Right, just stick with what you're learning, brother. I'm talking to Kyle now. Stick with what you're learning. If you're trading London, let's trade London. Don't trade both New York and London. They're different animals for sure. Yeah. Wow. What I mean, this is a good lesson right here, right? Push bullish, push bullish, push bullets. It ran right into the 50, and that was it. And looking at the 1 hour, that's like a massive fake out. Let's go to the 4 hour, right? Because the 4 hour candle is about to close. This is the 4 hour. Looks like the 4 hour may still close bullish. But weak bullish. That's the 9 a.m. right there. Yeah, it's still closed bullish. We shall see. I mean, on the lower time frame, it would appear that this should have a continuance to the downside. This is where I was before. But I want to still consider that. Well, yeah, it stopped right there. It should have, again, it should have continuance to the downside. It should continue what the 8 hours started. I mean, usually I would think that it could go in the opposite direction, but 8 o'clock just gave us direction. So again, if it fails, it fails, but I think the marching orders are in place. Of course, we got news coming. I keep saying that, we got news coming. Changes the dynamic. Okay, so I've rescheduled that meeting. My wife is getting ready to go on a trip, so I think I'm going to be shutting it down. That was freaky yesterday, right? With Facebook and WhatsApp and IG being down. That was kind of weird. I was thinking, my gosh, how much social media controls our lives, that it would affect so many people that they can't get on a social media platform. But then again, a lot of people make money from social media platforms. So Yeah, I'm thinking based on all these rejections, let's go to high time frame on, yep, look at it. Okay, still bearish, even though they're weak, bearish, they're still bearish, but it's holding above the 50. So when was rejections, I'm thinking go to 4 hour. Oh, well, 4 hour. 4 hours is just aching to go down based on that formation. So a lot of conflicting information. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna shut it down. I hope that GU works. It looks all right. The way I read the market is that this should keep going down. And if the news are positive for the dollar, then the Dixie should climb and this should go down. And Lord willing, if my health is good and everything is fine tomorrow, I'll be here. Let me see, do we have news tomorrow? Go to the daily. So we got more news tomorrow at 8:15, a little earlier. We might be able to make some money with that. We'll see. We'll see. These are the 7th. Oh, that's right. Wait a minute. Time out, guys. This is NFP week. I should have said that from the beginning. I forgot. This is NFP week. NFP week, absolutely. Quick profits. Okay, smaller positions. Don't look for runners, even though you could get a runner. As much as you could get a runner, you could also get something that whips off to the top, whips off to the bottom, takes both of them out, leaves you in the dust. So Friday is NFP week. This is a week full of news. Market is going to be unusual. Okay, looks like GU is still working as per the usual. But yeah, we're going to see some movement in the market, but not necessarily the kind of movement we like. So, okay, guys, I appreciate your time. Appreciate you being here with me. Thank you for liking the stream. Thank you for supporting the stream, and stay safe. Do not overtrade. If you won the day, celebrate it. Okay. If you learned the day, as I was teaching last night, if you learned the day, then meditate on it. Make the adjustments necessary so that you can come back tomorrow strong. Okay. That's going to be the end of the story. Where's my thingamajig? Stop sharing. No, that's not all right. There you go. Stop sharing. That's what I wanted. Okay. And there you go. God bless you guys. Have a great day. I'm not sure if Jay is teaching tonight or not. He's getting much better, but he's still not completely well. So we shall see. God bless you. Bye-bye.